First of all, check the sign is of plus, minus, whatever it is. Okay. The process is called rationalization. Yeah, the process is called rationalization. अच्छा जी, rationalization. First of all, check sign plus या minus है, so you need to write down conjugate. What will be conjugate here? 5 plus square root 3. Write both of the terms in the bracket. Now the question, 2 divided by square root 5 minus square root 3 multiplied by square root 5 plus square root 3. Similarly here square root 5 plus square root 3. Now numerator's term will be multiplied by numerator and denominator's term will be multiplied by denominator. 2 times square root 5 plus square root 3 and divided by square root 5 minus square root 3 into square root 5 plus square root 3. Now again in the denominator the formula a plus b, mention the formula, must a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, where a is the first term square root 5 and b is the second term square root 3. So it is 2 times square root 5 plus square root 3 divided by a square is square root 5 square minus square root 3 and its square. This thing. 2 times square root 5 plus 3 divided by square root 5 square minus square root 3. Now this square and square root will be cancelled out. Similarly, this square and square root will be cancelled out. So it is left 2 times under root 5 plus under root 3 divided by, it is left now 5 minus it is left 3. So it will be 2 times under root 5 plus under root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. So again cancellation property of multiplication will be done here. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So what is left? Square root 5 plus square root 3 divided by 1. So no need to write that. Rationalization process is done here. This is your answer. Is it clear? Yeah. This process is called rationalization. अब्दुल्ला वीडियो ऑन रखें अपनी.
Ma'am, next page. Then, ma'am.
चले आए नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे, पार्ट 7. अच्छा, part 7 is a little bit different than before. In part 7, under root 3 minus 1. It is under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1. ठीक है? Okay, first of all, check the denominator, not the numerator. Check denominator. It is square root 3 plus 1. ठीक है? So write down its conjugate. Square root 3 minus 1. ठीक है? Then you will write multiply and divide by square root 3 minus 1. So it will be square root 3 minus 1 over square root 3 minus 1. Write them in the bracket. Multiplied by square root 3 minus 1. Sorry, it was plus in the denominator. Over square root 3 minus 1. Again, numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. Now check. Square root 3 minus 1 and square root 3 minus 1. Same terms are repeated. Square root 3 minus 1. May I write its whole square?
Yes, ma'am.
Square root 3 minus 1 into square root 3 minus 1. Whole square over in the denominator it will be square root 3 plus 1 into square root 3 minus 1. Okay, but look at its numerator. It is square root 3 minus 1 whole square. Have you ever learned this type of formula?
No, ma'am.
A minus B whole square. Here we will apply two formulas, one formula for numerator and one formula for denominator. So you will write a formula for n. N means numerator square. A minus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2 times AB. Is it? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Numerator and denominator. Beta, here we are going to apply two formulas. One is for numerator and one is for denominator. For numerator, the closed form. This form is given. We will open it. We will write it in this. And here the open form is given and we will close it. A square plus B square minus 2 times AB. It is A square. A means square root 3 square plus b square is 1 square minus 2 times a is square root 3 and b is 1 over a square square root 3 square this square and square root will be cancelled out. It is 3 plus square of 1 is 1 minus, now look, 2 is without radical, 1 is without radical. 2 ones are 2 times square root 3 divided by the square and square root will be cancelled out. 3 minus square of 1 is 1. 3 minus 1. Now you will add this 3 and 1. 3 and 1 is 4 minus 2 times square root 3 over 3 minus 1 is 2. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look, this 4 and minus 2. Can we subtract it?
No, ma'am.
No, because it is in the multiplication form. But do you know taking common?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 4 and 2. Both of the numbers come in the table of 2. So it's mean we are going to take 2 common from here. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 is common here. Minus 2 times 1 is 2. What is left? Square root 3. So no need to write 1 here. 2 minus square root 3 divided by 2. So here this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2 and 2 minus square root 3 is your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am, सीधे सीधे हम 2 और 4 को
Of multiplication and this is your answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Direct नहीं cut करना. Done बेटे?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, next page.
Okay, Abdullah, its part 8 is same as we have done in question number 7. Okay, so you will solve this part yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Part 8. Okay. After this, now we will move towards question number 2. Done?
No, ma'am.
हो गया बेटे?
Yes, ma'am.
चलें, अब आए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, find the conjugate of x plus under root y. X plus under root y means they have generally taken them as variable, but in the question they are the numbers. Conjugate, we have already done conjugate in question number 1. Find the conjugate of two conjugate of x plus under root y. X plus under root y means we have given you different numbers, different terms in the question. In part 1 it is given 3 plus under root 7. Here you will say that conjugate. What will be its conjugate? 3 plus under root 7.
3 minus
Just you,
root 7.
yes, 3 minus under root 7. You just have to tell about conjugate. This is your answer. So all parts are same. Can you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will solve question number 1 part 8 and question number 2 all parts in your copy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Inshallah we will start question number 3 tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow inshallah I will start my class at 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.